Hello students, so we are starting with Scratch, in which today we will learn about broadcast and when I receive scripts. So these scripts, broadcast and when I receive, will be available in event block. So as all of you know that this is called sprite. The character in Scratch is called sprite and this are called scripts. Here you can drag our scripts for writing scripts for a particular character. I'm bringing here one more character from library. So this is the option where library will be visible to you. Here from library, I'm choosing animal options, animals, and from animals, as you can see, there are different types of animal characters are visible here. Cat we already have. Now I am selecting a mouse. Select the character and click on OK option. Here you can see one mouse as a character came. One cat is already there. If I want to rotate this, first I need to select it and go to costumes option. Here you can see this flip, so it will be flipped this side. Accordingly, you can add it, you can change the character, you can apply different editing in the character. Color you can change and all the editing work you can do in costumes option. Now here back to scripts area. In script you just have to take care that the which character is selected now. As you can see now here mouse is selected, so we are writing script for mouse. When cat will be selected, we will write script for cat. This background is called stage. This is stage is selected. So you can select the stage to change the background. You can make it any background by selecting. So this will be visible to you here. Then script for background also you can write. Now here cat is selected. I am writing script for cat. When I click green flag, what should happen? Cat should say for 2 seconds. We can decide the dialogue for the same. Where are you, mouse? Question mark. This is the question asked by cat. This will not be sent to mouse until or unless you will not broadcast it. So you have to choose this broadcast script. Now there are two types of broadcast script you can see. One is simple broadcast message and second one is broadcast and wait. So what is the difference between these two? Broadcast will simply broadcast a message and continue with its script. Further, whatever scripts you will write will continue. But broadcast and wait will wait till receiving the script have ended before continuing with the remaining script. So it will not continue with the remaining script until or unless you will not receive something. As I have told you, broadcast and when I receive will work simultaneously. So whatever you will broadcast, the other character will receive that. So now I am writing script for cat. So what cat should receive when I receive message? So what message should cat receive? Now you can see cat is selected, mouse is selected. So new message for mouse. Which message? This one. You can control C copy and you can paste it here. So automatically you can see when I receive where are you mouse. So what should be the reaction of mouse? It should change the color by 25 effect, or you can change it by 50 also. It is up to you. So it should change the color and it should say for 2 seconds I'm here. So this message will be said by mouse. After that, what we are continuing with the script of cat. Here it should say where are you, mouse. And then this should be broadcasted. Again, one more broadcast I'm adding here. Before that, I would like to add one more dialog for mouse. That is, I'm going to eat you. So this is the second message. After receiving that message that I am here, it should show that I am going to eat you. So this also should be broadcasted and wait. Now what should be the message? It should be I am going to eat you. Control C for copy and here you will use Control V for paste. Your dialog should not be mismatched. It should be completely same. Okay, the same message it is saying, the same message should be broadcasted. So now just see the output for the same. This is the script of mouse and this is the script for cat. You can see it is different. Now you can see the output. Here when I will click the green flag, cat says where are you mouse? Mouse says I'm here. I'm going to eat you. So this was the output.